Hey everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well today. How's everyone doing so far? I hope we're doing well and good. And before we officially start our program, I would just like to give few announcements today. Our contest for share, stay, and win is still ongoing. What you only just need to do is to share our MirandaMiner YouTube channel in your Facebook page. No, share niyo yung link na yan. And then say kung anong natutunan mo about sa videos ni Coach Miranda Miner, pakigandahan mo na din. And obviously, the highest number of shares up until July 15th will get a free course enrollment of your choice. Either it is beginner or it is actually a an intermediate. No, and by the way, we'll have few announcements on the intermediate class later on. And then the people with the most number of likes and shares, tatlo yan, will have a free course enrollment. But if you get the highest number of likes and shares combined, you'll get the free course enrollment and one Miranda Miner t-shirt, the Just Huddle shirt to be delivered to you. And of course, a very special mention in our Crypto Night Live every Saturday. So please help us spread the great news and spread the great channel. And be also instrumental sa pagbabago ng mga buhay ng may ibang traders, no? So yeah, so our share, say, and win contest is still ongoing. I would just like to also mention this, no, that I've actually sent earlier an invitation only trading talks, no. This is a very special trading talks that's only going to be given sa lahat ng graduates ng ating Miranda Miner course, no. If you're actually a graduate of the Miranda Miner course and you were actually able to finish, and then you are also a student next week, so I'm actually cordially inviting you to attend. This is a by invitation only. It's not open for everyone, and it's for free. No, you will not pay anything. This is actually part of the love fee that you shared to the community, to Coach Miranda Miner. So by invitation, by now you should have received it in your email, and please make sure you RSVP your attendance, because if you don't RSVP your attendance, you will not be part of the raffle. No, we will be raffling some surprise US dollar Tether prices to be credited for free in your Binance account. Okay, so looking forward for the trading talks. It's gonna be on July 18th. Special yung araw na yan because naka-sem break tayo niyan, no? Naka-sem break tayo. We're only going to do the weekend class, no? On that week. But for the most part, that entire week is gonna be a free week. For me, I'm gonna be traveling. But I'm inviting you. Please bring with you your Miranda Miner mugs. We'll have coffee, and then we'll have some fun. No? We'll have some fun, and please cheer with your teams. No, we have so many teams starting week 1. No, we have so many teams starting wave 1. No, and dami na nating teams. Starting with you know we team wave number 1, we have the Bull Bear team, the Elma team, the Exam team, and the Feast team. And then we have the Team Breakout, Team Billionaires, Team Scalper, and Team to the Moon for wave number 1 yan, beginner and intermediate. No? And then we have our wave number 2 onwards. You have your intermediate class, Team Discipline, Team Gritcoin, Team Payday, Team Payaman. No? The beginner class, Team RDJ, Team Power, Team Powerpuff, Team to the Moon. No? The beginner 7 p.m. class, Team Supremo, Team Lambo, Team Skyrocket, and Team Noob to the Moon. And then we have another class, Intermediate Wave 3. No? Intermediate Wave 3, Team to the Earth, led by Chester, Money Team by Jonelle, Side Hustle by Ray, and then Team Breakout by Kay. We also have the Beginner Wave 4. You have the Jupiters by Trisha, Team to the Moon by Arnel, Team Mommy Miners by Malin. And then our Beginner Wave 4, 7:30 p.m. class, you have your Team Rock, led by Kim, Team Positive PNL, led by Sheila, Team BJMP, led by Buddy, and Team D, led by, of course, Miss D. Then you also have ang daming teams, no? Your UAE team, no? Team Burj Khalifa, Team For Good, Team One Pataas, Team Bull. Woohoo! no? Yung Team UAE natin, no? All right. And then, let me check if I did not forget anything. You have your Team Endeavor, Teamwork, Team Stable, no? Led by Kenzie, Chantel, and Alfie, respectively. You have your Team Bullish, led by Diego and Ivan. Team Kryptonite, led by Levi from UK. And then Team Profit, and then Team Crypto Gainer by Elma and Shanna. No? And then, let me check, make sure I don't forget anyone. Ang dami na nating teams, guys. No? Let me make sure I don't forget anyone. I think that's it, no? Ang dami ng teams. Looking forward to meet each and every one of you. And I hope to get to see you again. And you need to be there because we're going to be announcing some special announcements only for you guys as my students. So of course, welcome in advance ang ating wave for July 6 onwards. No, um, we will be meeting all of you on Tuesday. That's July 6. We have our team beginner batch number 7, and you have your team intermediate batch number 5. After that, we will do our team USA class by July 13. No, and then the beginner batch, and then after that we will do our sem break. We'll do our weekend class on July 17 and 24, and then so on and so forth. So sobrang dami, no? And I'm really, really proud of you guys, all of you. Thank you for your trust and confidence of the MirandaMiner system. Alam niyo ba guys, every time na gumigising ako, no? Every time na gumigising si Coach MirandaMiner, napakarami kong message, no? Napakarami kong message. And most of you guys are saying thank you to me, no? So sorry kung di ko nare-replyan yung iba. Okay? Most of you are saying thank you at you're welcome, no? And of course, ang aking reply is, of course, you need to journal your trades, you know, and you need to keep on learning kasi kayang-kaya, no? Nakaka-proud, no? Kasi kanina, when we're actually, before we went to the north, no? Sorry. We went to the north, nakakita tayo ng isang nag-thank you sa atin, guys. Nakita nyo ba yung post ni Coach? 22 out of 22 trades are all wins. Na-double niya yung money niya. And I saw the journal. Ang galing. Napakagaling just using Halmachi. No? So, yan. So, just again, I'll invite each and every one of you. Please, I would like to see you all of you again. And please, create a banner for your teams. No, create a banner background. No, may the best. Tingnan natin kung sino pinaka-lively na team, sino pinaka-live na batch. No, I'm gonna be doing some roll call. All right, and looking forward to meet each and every one of you there. All right, and that's for free. Okay, and then I just released this video, no, because we will not have any fundamentals and news today. So in advance na natin ang ating news, pakibasa. Because today we're gonna be doing our very special crypto night live, wherein we're gonna be talking about the technicals, no, the technicals and the technician pieces on how to be effective on scalping or the Halmachi model. So we invited two great and very high potential traders, no, si Brian and si Rad, who's gonna be talking with us about their experience using our system, no. So panoorin niyo yan, antayin lang natin in a few. I'm gonna be doing that in a few. And of course, meron tayong upcoming MirandaMiner interviews. No, I'm going to interview an Axie manager. This manager has, I think, existing 5 scholars today. No, and I have some very good news for all of you. Pero you know, it's not set on stone yet. No, I would like to confirm that bukod sa aking scholarships, I'm going to offer 3 scholarships. Bukod doon, meron na po akong 3 na gusto nilang maging manager din, no? Maghahanap din sila ng scholar. Okay, I have 3 potential investors, actually 4 na. 4 potential investors aside from me who's going to look for scholars. So antabayanan nyo yan. There's gonna be a lot of presentations to happen. We're gonna be doing some commercial discussions kasi we will put some structure, no? Para this becomes the natural part of our culture, no? But obviously, we're still gonna be sticking with our culture of malasakit, teaching, mentoring, no? This is gonna be just one of those on the sides discussion. Okay? So please, please, please watch out for that. I'm going to schedule this interview next week. And of course, napanood nyo na ang ating interview with one of the players, ang ating one of the moderators. No? We will hide her from the name of Angel. So we interviewed Angel. Um, and again, we will have a very special guest next week. We're just confirming the dates, no? Confirming the dates and the time. And we will be able to interview this particular manager. No, I'm looking forward because I wanted to interview someone that from a business side of it, no, aside from just the player side of it, right? And medyo marami talagang tanong na about this, marami nag-a-apply, may mga nagpasa na sa akin ng resume. So antayin na lang po natin 'yan, and we will be talking about that in a few, no. So without further ado, let me just transition to my other into my other segment. Hang on a second. Okay, this is actually our Usapang Technical Analysis. All right, Usapang Technical Analysis today. And what I would like to happen, what I'd like to do is for us to be able to focus, no, focus on the technical piece or technical discussions. We have actually invited two very special guests for today. Let me just make sure I have the. Okay, let me just make sure I have this correctly. All right, we invited two special guests for today. One of them is. Let me just make sure I do the introductions. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. I will be right back. Let me just try to fix some technicals here. Just give me a second. Okay.
Gagayahin natin si Coach.
Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So we have actually our guests for today. This is gonna be our Usapang Technical, no? So let me just make sure I introduce first our guest. Hang on a second, guys. Hang on a second. Okay, so thank you. Welcome back. Thank you, guys, for. Let me just load down the music. Okay, welcome back to me. All right. So I just want to make sure I do a quick introduction sa ating mga guests for today, no. So one of my first guests, his name is Brian. No, he has 1 year of trading experience. He's a part-time trader. He's actually employed in a corporate world. So, in a corporate guy to, no, merong obviously part-time trader, full-time commitment. Yung tawag natin yan, no. And he's actually very eager to learn new trading strategies. Meron na siya mga strategies in the past. Estudyante natin to sa MirandaMiner Intermediate class. At an average, he's actually trading 1 to 3 trades in a day. Tapos because he is a corporate employee, no, he's actually more of a swing trader, no, swing trader siya. So his name is Brian, and of course, we also have another guest. His name is Rad. Siguro kilala na to ng ibang mga estudyante natin. No, he's actually the mentor who's doing the remedial sessions today. Sige nga, type number 1 kung kilala nyo si Rad. Okay? Introductions niya dito, he's actually a solo traveler. So ito, solo daw tong mag-travel. No? Tapos full-time commitment din, part-time trader, and soon to be a coach someday. O, yan, panindigan natin yan, guys. All right, soon to be a coach and a mentor someday, no? Um, yan. So sabi niya dito, yeah, totoo to, no? So I've known this gentleman matagal na. And part to ng ating day 1, no? Part ito ng day 1 natin. Kasama namin diyan sila Zed, sila Miss D. Yan, kasama namin yan sila Boss Zed tsaka sila Miss D, no? Sama-sama kami diyan nung mga panahon na ang Facebook namin is 20 pa lang kami. So 20 pa lang kami, magkakasama na kami niyan, no? Ayan. So, yan. So he's also one of the reasons bakit ano yung nakita kong potential sa dalawang na to, no? I mean, they have their own initiative, no? Ayun ang gusto ko sa dalawang to. They have the initiative, they have yung natural appetite to learn, no? And based on the way that they presented, so normally nakikita ko na, 'di ba, if you're my student, I'm asking you to present. Nakikita ko yung high potential yung iba yung giya niya sa mga iba yung basa, 'di ba? Yung basa ng isang chart. So nakikita ko yung ganung galing, and I'd like to build on that, no? So I got these two gentlemen before I have them talk, no? I will have them give their talk and speech, no? I introduced them. I want them to be in this show because um, when they were presenting their charts nung sa parang revalida na natin, no? They were using Halmachi, and what I like is meron silang mga konting dinagdag na confirmation, no? Which is actually part ng lesson din natin, no? So, part ng lesson natin in the beginner or the intermediate. So maganda yung ginawa nila, nilagyan nila ng konting kumbaga may flavor, no, na very complementary sa Halmachi system. And without further ado, let me just quickly introduce, no, pa-type number 1 kung maririnig ninyo silang dalawa, no? Pa-type number 1. So let me just make sure I do open your mic. Hang on a second. Okay, I will first introduce Brian. Hey Brian, kamusta?
Hi, good evening everyone. Pa-type ng mobile number kung naririnig ako. Hindi, joke lang, one lang.
Pa-type daw ng 1, guys, kung malinaw si Brian. Malinaw.
Malinaw. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for that kind introduction, Coach. Thank you.
Sige nga, ikaw bumati ka muna, Brian. Sige, bati ka muna sa mga listeners.
Good evening. Thank you for joining our event tonight. So I would like to shout out sa team batch to ng team Payday kami. Tsaka sa lahat ng batch to intermediate. Good evening sa inyong lahat. And sa lahat ng moderators ng Miranda Global. Good evening.
Okay. Medyo mahina daw. Hang on, guys. Hang on a second. Let me try to have one more. Okay. Sige, one more. Try one more time. I already have ilaksan ko na yung ano.
Ayan, okay na, Coach.
Yeah, go ahead. Salita ka lang. Go ahead.
Hello. ko nag-echo. Wait. Hello, everyone. Malinaw na?
Okay, Brian, wait lang, Brian. Hang on.
Mahina. Ayan.
Try it again.
Ayan. Test mic, test mic. Hello, test mic.
Yan, okay na daw.
Ayun.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Yan.
Okay. Good evening. Yon, pa-shoutout daw ulit sa Team Payday ng Batch Intermediate, lahat ng Batch Intermediate. So, I was an enrollee of Coach MirandaMiner sa Intermediate class. So, dami ko talaga natutunan and that gusto kong i-share tonight yung mga technical. Good evening, everyone.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that, no? Okay na daw sa earphones. Okay na. Thank you for confirming. All right, ang ating next guest, ang isang lalaki na lagi daw tinatanong ang mga sinasabi sa akin ng mga ibang moderators. Itong tao daw na to laging tinatanong kung kumain na daw ba siya. No? Eh kumain ka na daw ba talaga, Rad, no? Papakilala ka muna, Brad.
Hello po.
Eh, sige, bati ka muna, Rad, sa mga
Good evening po
fans
sa inyo.
mo.
Sa mga fans ko dyan, ayan. Nagpapa-shoutout nga pala yung batch 5. Yan, sila Ate Jenna, Jesty, Ria, yan. Yung mga yan. Tsaka yung mga moderator natin dyan. Good evening sa inyo. Joyce, yung stop loss natin ha. Hello po sa inyo. Malakas po ba?
Oh, sige nga.
Stop loss, ha?
I-type nyo ba kung malinaw daw si Kuya Rad? Paki-type number 1 kung malinaw. Ayan. Ba't puro mga babae bumabati sa'yo, Brad, no? Jenna, si Ann.
Ewan ko nga eh.
Oh, grabe. Meron ka ng mga fans club, ha? At si Brian, magkaka-fans club na rin to next time. Okay? Alright. Sige. Okay, guys. So, teka lang. I'll just transition to my other, sandali lang. So, my other... Ayan, teka lang. Alright. So, let me present something, no? So, unahin ko lang munang interviewin itong ating guest for today, no? Si Rad. Alright, let me just make sure na you guys could see my screen. Sandali lang. Sandali lang, sandali. Okay. So, unahin ko muna si Kuya Rad. Okay, Rad. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Kamusta ka naman, Rad?
Okay naman. Andito kasi ako ngayon sa Manila eh. Kaya bakasyon lang.
Saan ka ba
Yun.
saan ka ba sa Manila?
Andito ako ngayon sa Tondo.
Sa
Pero
Tondo ngayon.
taga Laguna talaga ako.
Okay. Sandali lang. Sandali, ayan. So, sa Tondo ka, okay. So, ito, pinapakita ko ngayon yung shinare mo sa aking presentation, no? Lilinawin ko lang yan, buong screen na nakikita nila. Alright, so, Rad, no? Couple of questions muna sa'yo. How long ka na nagtitrade?
Kung sa crypto, simula February, siguro coach, alam niyo naman kung kailan ako
pero I mean
nag-start na. Pero
overall, like,
para sa
mga charts,
para sa
ganyan.
mga fans natin,
Oo.
yun, since February pa lang nitong 2021.
Okay. So, another question is, sa pagtitrade mo ba, batch 1 ka, no? Batch 1 kita naging estudyante,
Yes,
no, sa crypto,
batch
no?
1.
Ano ba yung, teka lang, para meron yatang lumilipad na electric fan sa tabi mo.
Ayan.
Pakinaan
Oo
mo
nga.
na yung electric fan. Oo, narinig ni Coach eh. Okay.
Okay na.
Okay na. Teka lang isang madaling, alam mo naman, one-man team si Coach, no? Ako yung gumagawa ng technicals dito, sandali lang ho. Okay, ayan. Alright. So, you know, sa batch ninyo, ano ba yung major takeaways na nakita mo bilang estudyante, 'di ba? So ano yung mga ano sa tingin mo yung major takeaway na realize ninyo as a technical trader sa
Sig-
mga course sa klase na tinan mo kay coach?
Siguro sa akin kung ako nagte-trade na tapos umattend ako sa inyo sa class. Kasi sa akin, unang-una hindi ako nag-journal talaga. So malaking bagay sa akin yung natutunan ko about sa journaling. Yun.
Mm.
Tapos isa rin yung mastery.
Mm.
Kasi dati, nagte-trade ako, ang dami kong mga strategy.
Mm.
Kumbaga, alam ko sila gamitin lahat, pero hindi ko sila master.
Mm.
Compare kung meron kang one or two strategy, pero master mo, yung win rate mo,
Mm.
mataas.
Mm. Okay.
Compare mo dun sa marami kang strategy, pero may mga loss.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige. So, before ako pumunta sa next question ko, tanongin ko rin si Brian. No? Brian,
Hi, Coach. Yes.
batch 2 ka, di ba? Batch 2? Correct?
Batch 2, yes. Team Payday.
Team Payday, no? Okay. Tapos, bilang part-time trader, nasa corporate ka din, no? Paano mo na ma-manage yung time mo? How are you able to manage your time? Bilang corporate trader, part-time pero full-time commitment, magaling ka mag-chart. Paano mo na ma-manage yan?
Unang-una, Coach, I have yung liberty ng working from home. So, namamanage ko yung time ko. Kasi in a normal situation, nasa field talaga yung line of work ko. So, and work from home. So, pag may time, pag nag-break pa, o kaya first thing in the morning, or kaya pag medyo maluwag yung work, nag-chart ako, nag-chart na ako. Pero, just to share some of my practices, sana makatulong din sa ibang newbies and co-newbies and co-traders and mga Miranda miners. So, first thing talaga ko siya lagi kong chine-check before and after matulog sa paggising. Yung coin market stuff talaga yung una kong tinitingnan. The news, the trend, kung anong market phase na tayo, in dominance, kung magkano ng market talaga. So, yun. So, yun muna. Nagpo-fundamental, mga basics muna, then chart na ako. Titingin na ako ng chart from different time frames. Tapos yung pag medyo nakuha ko na yun, tapos wala pa ako makitang position na pwede kong pasukan, yan. Check email, tapos work muna, work. Tapos pag medyo magbe-break ako from work, yan, babalik ako sa chart and trading view, maghanap ng coin. Siyempre, lagi tayong na kay Bitcoin, tapos mga isa-dalawang out. Tapos yun, Coach. So, manageable naman. So, after 5, pag tapos na yung work, yan, medyo before dinner, magcha-chart ulit ako, tapos after dinner, magcha-chart and before sleeping. Pero, I made it a habit na kasi nung bago ako nagte-trade, Coach, inaaway na ako ng wife ko kasi madaling araw nakatingin pa ako sa candle. So, alam ko may mga naka-experience yan. So, lalo na pag newbie sa Binance, talagang pinapanood yung candle. So, ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng commitment na after 10 p.m. wala na.
Pero Brad, di ba, I mean, yun yung maganda no? Kasi yan, si Rad galing stock market yan. Ang maganda sa Binance, 24/7, no?
Yes.
20 after work mo na 5 o'clock. Pagtapos mo, tingin ka ng candle, tingin ka ng formation, ng setup. Kung meron maganda, pasok. Diba? Kung wala, di okay lang. Diba? So, ayun, 24/7 maganda no? Ikaw Rad, so ikaw, sorry, Brian, ikaw, ilang months ka na nagtitrade ba? O 1 year na, no? Halos 1 year, no?
It's been a year, Coach. Yes.
Year na. Okay. Pero pure crypto, no?
Pure crypto, pero nagsimula ako mag-chart sa Investa bago ako mag-subscribe sa TradingView. So, doon muna, yung una kasi ang taas nung hype nung dito, nasa 2 pesos pa lang ata, sabi ko parang a friend told me to invest. So, doon nagsimula. Tapos nakita ko yung boom, medyo middle of the year, nung 2020, nagkaroon ng Ethereum na na biglang naging sensational. Tapos biglang nagkaroon na siya ng maraming ang tawag doon, may mga marketing, networking yung Ethereum. So, I took a look. So, yun, nakita ko. And then, nagkaroon ako ng interest sa trading when I was invited by a friend. Sabi, try to do trading kasi nasa sales naman tayo, maintindihan mo yung numero and the chart. So, ayun.
So nakakatulong ba sa background ninyong dalawa, no? Ano ba yung background na medyo makakatulong if you're into trading? I mean, to your point, sales, 'di ba? Parang you're reading charts, numbers. So mas maganda meron kang talagang familiarity or you have the passion sa mga numbers. Kumbaga may edge kang meron kang extra edge parang ganon.
Yes. So, medyo mahilig kasi I work in a pharmaceutical company. So, talagang medyo cutthroat din yung competition. Tapos lagi ka rin nakatingin sa chart, sa performance, and then you analyze and you check kung ano nangyayari, bakit tumaas, bakit bumaba. Similar to the candle. So, yun muna. I started learning about candles talaga muna. Ayoko mag-indicator kasi parang nakakahilo, relative strength index, MACD, convergence, divergences. Tapos parang pag wala kasing sa trading, tapos crypto, parang nakakahilo siya pero pag mo, so may may similarity rin.
May similarity, oo. Ikaw Rad, so background mo, no? So why do you think na parang mas na-enjoy mo yung charting? Ano bang background mo?
Nagsimula din kasi ako sa sa stock market, 'di ba nga ako diyan. Kuya, last year magkasama tayo, 'yun. So, nung nakakapag-invest na ako sa stock market, sa dito, yan, mga ininvest ko dati. Na-curious ako kung paano talaga basahin yung chart. Sa stock market, 'di ba kasi limited lang 'yon, hindi siya 24/7. Kaya na-curious talaga ako, lumipat ako sa crypto. Para mabasa ko talaga yung charting ng tuloy-tuloy. As in talagang araw-araw binabasa ko yung mga chart, yung mga candle, kung ano yung galaw niya, 'yun.
Okay. So good introduction, no? Good introduction. So kumbaga sa akin, I was able to relate sa mga sinishare nyo kasi nga I'm sure you guys have all heard naman yung background ni Coach. I teach accounting before. So talaga tinuturo ko talaga yung journaling na yan. Talaga tinuturo ko yung analysis tsaka logic, no? Lalo na if you're teaching financial statements and so kumbaga parang meron akong I'm fond of seeing numbers. Saka mga Brad, nakikita ko kasi na medyo merong if you are a person na merong kang nakikitang trends, no, sa isang particular na chart, mas makakatulong sa iyo yun, no? So kung wala ka man ng ganon, yung natural eye for a trend, kailangan mo talagang magbasa ng maraming charts, 'di ba? Tulad ng sinasabi ko lagi, 50 charts a day. 50 charts a day kasi kailangan sanayin mo yung sarili mo na pag nakita mo tong chart, for example, itong pinapresent ko ngayon, no, pag kita mo tong chart na to, hindi to puro blue and purple, hindi to puro kulay blue tsaka light blue. Merong you will see a trend here, no? 'Di ba? Anyways, sige. So, dito muna tayo. So Rad, I'm presenting your chart, no? So, again, ang topic natin is actually scalping, no? So, nakikita ko sa chart mo na this is actually a Cardano, an ADA trade, no? 3 minutes. Sige, can you walk us through nga on a very high level itong chart na to? Siguro start tayo sa big picture tapos zoom in tayo, no? Can you walk us through with this trade na ginawa mo sa ADA?
So coach, ito kasi nasa 3 minutes na tayo, no, time frame. Kung makikita natin yung sa 1 hour time frame ko na doon ako nagplot ng fib. Ng fib. So makikita nyo dito, meron dito 3 araw, ayan, ito yung fib ko na 0.786, no. So hindi siya kagaya ng mga 0.618 na bounce play. Pwede ko rin kasi siyang i-consider as bounce kasi retracement siya eh. So nakita ko sa 15 minutes downtrend na siya. So nakikita natin gumawa ako ng trend resistance diyan. Nakikita niyo yung isang mahabang trend na yan,
Okay.
pababa.
This one. Okay, this one.
Yes, oo. Hinintay ko siyang ma-break.
Here.
Then, oo. So, nung na-break siya, ang thinking ko lagi, once ma-break yung support or resistance, meron siyang retest.
Okay.
Or tinatawag na exhaustion phase. Kumbaga, itong nilagpasan niyang resistance, push phase, then magkakaroon siya ng exhaustion phase. Kumbaga, magpapahinga ba?
Mm-hmm.
No, yung area na yan. So, nung habang binabasa ko yung trend na yan, makikita nyo dito sa trend resistance, nagbabounce siya. Diba?
Okay, this one.
Yan. Yung pinaka first bounce niya on support. Kasi di ba nalagpasan na niya yung resistance. So, it consider as support na yan. So, meron na akong isang evidence. Then, sumunod, nung nilagpasan niya tong isa pang resistance. So, nag-bounce ulit siya. Naging confirmation ko na siya. Then, pangalawa kong confluence, etong 0.786 na bounce.
So Rad,
No.
so quick lang, no? So you're saying na, so before tayo maghalmachi, what you're doing is you're looking at the big picture. May Fibonacci.
Yes, kuya.
Fibonacci, no? Fibonacci play. You obviously plot your major fibs, no? Your major fibs, your 0.5, 0.618, 0.382. And then, in this particular case, no? So obviously the trend is actually going downwards. And nakita mo na meron ditong correction na nangyayari, no? 1, 2.
Yes, po.
Tapos this one, yung correction hindi nangyari, nagkaroon ng breakout sa trend, no? So what you're saying is from a trend perspective, pag binasag niya yung old resistance, no? Bumasag siya, the next potential event to happen is if it actually corrects, magbabounce lang din sa dating resistance niya, which is the new support.
Tama.
Okay.
Kuya.
Okay. So lakad tayo dyan, no? Let's go to your chart, no? So when this bounced, right? So nakita ko sa formation dito na naglagay ka rin ng EMA tsaka ALMA, no? Very, very good yan. Tapos meron ka rin CCI.
Yes po.
So saan ka nag-enter dito ng Halmachi ng ADA? Saan ka nag-enter dito? Anong area saan ka nag-enter? Dito sa area na to?
Ayan, dyan kuya. Ayan, yung sa may arrow na yan.
Okay. This one. You entered here.
Dyan po ako nag-enter. So, kumbaga, ang pinaka-last confluence ko talaga yung Halmachi.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, you're
kumbaga,
using...
hinintay ko muna yung break resistance. Tapos bumalik sa key level. Bumalik dito sa 0.786. Tsaka ako nag-abang ng Halmachi. Doon ako pumasok ng trade.
So sa 1.34 ka pumasok, correct? 1.33480 this year. Tama ba ako?
Hindi. Wait lang kuya, hindi ko kita yung sa side eh. Saan ba yan?
Hindi mo kita yung dito? Teka lang So let me end exit full screen. Ayan.
Hindi pa din, kuya.
Wait lang.
Search ko yung aking
You look for your charts. Look mo yung sarili mong charts dyan. Kasi 1.33 yung entry level mo. 1.33480. No? So may dalawa kasi ako nakikitang potential entry points. 1.33 this one. This area. Correct?
1.33. Yes po.
Itong red na to, no? Very good entry. Tama yung nakita ko. Maganda. Okay. 1.33. Pagkaroon ng bounce, kumbaga sinasabi mo, nung nag-bounce na siya sa support, which is the old resistance, nag-formation ng EMA-ALMA dito. No? EMA-ALMA formation. Teka lang let me just make sure I adjust this first. Teka lang. So, liitan ko lang ito sandali. Sandali lang po. Okay, mag-formation tayo. Yan. Okay, so dito, nagkaroon ng EMA crossed over pataas si Alma, and then CCI confirmed. Nag-confirm si CCI, and then
Yes,
there is
kuya.
a bounce play, no? There is a bounce play. There's already a confirmation candle here, no? Confirmation candle. Nag-bounce play, nag-EMA Alma crossover, tapos ang laki ng tinaas ng formation. 'Di ba? Ang laki from 1.33 lumipad ng 1.34680, no? Around this
Oo nga,
area,
kuya.
So you're saying na with the Halmachi formation, kapag nilagyan mo ng bounce play, no? Mas may conviction.
Yes, kuya. Mas marami kang confluence, mas sigurado.
Mas may conviction ka, no? Kasi ito tinuturo ko din to sa intermediate class, no? Wag kang pwedeng maraming gawing setup, pero ang problema sa mga, kasi I mean, in everything that we see sa trading, no, there's always gonna be setups, but not all setups are profitable, no? There are gonna be setups na very small lang yung profit. So kumbaga, what we're trying to do is, yes, it's forming a Halmachi, no? It's forming a Halmachi, and on a key level area sa isang feast, sa Fibonacci mo, which is the feast model, then you put a bounce, no? There was a bounce play on the support area, and when this bounce, tumaas na, no? Saan ka nag-take profit dito, Brad?
Ayan, kuya, sa may 1.3664.
1.34680.
34,680.
Mm-hmm. This area.
So, kasi kumbaga, pagka-trade ko dyan, pagka-execute ko ng order, sinet ko na agad
Okay.
yung TP ko.
Mm-hmm.
Kumbaga, inisip ko na lang gain is gain.
Okay. So,
No.
6 na candle to. So, around 18 minutes na scalping, no? $4.
Opo, kuya.
Hindi na masama, guys. 18 minutes, kita ka ng $4. Around, 200 pesos. Tama ba? 200 pesos, no? Imagine mo kung arawan kang sumasahod. Ilang oras yun?
Ayan din kasi yung dapat talaga nagpa-plan ka ng trade.
Mm-hmm. Sige, discuss mo nga yun, Rad. Discuss mo yung planning of the trade na yan. Sige nga.
Ayun, kasi sa akin, kapag nagpa-plan ako ng trade, tumitingin muna ako sa bigger picture. Kumbaga, sa higher time frame. 4 hours, 1 hour, yan. Pwede nyo i-consider yan. Doon nyo makikita kung ano yung trend. Kung uptrend ba or downtrend. So, kung nalaman nyo na yung bias, saka kayo papasok sa lower time frame.
So bigger time frame muna, Brad, no? So bigger time frame, zoom out, look at the major resistance and support. Okay, go ahead.
Then sa akin kasi meron akong tinatawag na multiple time frame analysis. Kumbaga meron akong 3 time frame para confirmation na tama yung bias ko na downtrend or uptrend.
Okay.
Kumbaga halimbawa 1 hour ako nagplan ng trade, nakita ko na uptrend. Tapos sa 15 minutes, magko-confirm ako kung tama ba yung magiging bias ko, kung nagawa ba ng higher high or higher low, lower low or lower high, ganun. Okay. Then tsaka ako mag-execute sa lower time frame. 15 minutes or 3 minutes or any scalping minutes, mga ganun.
Okay.
So kung ganun, tsaka po ako nagbabasa ng mga, anong tawag dito, ng mga candle, kung anong formation ng ginagawa niya, yun po.
Sige. So, Brian, isama ka sa discussion, ha?
Yes, coach.
I want to ask both of you, no, before I go to your chart today, no. ano ba ang definition ninyo sa mga moving averages? Yung mga EMA, ALMA, EMA, MA, SMA, ano ba yung mga yan? How do you define them? How do you define these averages, moving averages? How do you use them as well, Brian?
Bago, usong-uso ngayon, coach, yung yung EMA. Alam mo ba yung EMA, coach? Yung Elon Musk advisory. So pag
EMA indicator, no?
so pag nag-tweet si Elon Musk, di ba? Nangangarag na yung crypto market. So kidding aside, no. So those are yung EMA, yung mga moving averages, EMA. So siya, yung mga lagging indicator siya. So meron din tayong leading indicators, yung mga RSI. So as a trader, pwede mo siyang i-balance. So meron kang lagging indicator, meron ka ding leading indicator para yung charting mo, yung confluence mo. At least kung ano talaga kasi different approach ng kada trader kasi meron akong kilala price action trader, talagang candles lang, walang
indicators.
Walang indicator, candles lang tsaka volume, tapos higher time frame lang, tapos puro swing lang. So kaya lang ang hirap gawin nun sa scalping. So as a scalper, kailangan medyo may indicator ka rin to validate your bias kasi ang hirap. So yun. So ako ang medyo I am using tatlo-apat na indicator sa chart ko sa trading. So MACD, CCI, ang tawag dito, CCI, RSI, yan. Tsaka bagong-bago yun. And I'm thankful na I stumbled upon Coach Miranda kasi natutunan ko yung Armored Linode na moving average, yung ALMA na ginagamit natin. Plus yung combination ng EMA 9. Kasi dati may trader lang na gumagamit, EMA 9 lang. Kumbaga, pag si EMA 9 kasi pag sinindot niya yung ulo ng candle, i-short mo na. Baligtad naman, pag yung EMA 9, sinindot yung puwet ng candle, mag-long ka na. So, ganun yung intindi ko sa EMA 9. Kaya
nakita
lang,
ko na yun. Nakita ko yung ganun trade. Tama ka. Oo. Ang gamit lang nun, high Kinashi candle, EMA 9, yun na.
Yun na yun eh. Pag ulo, pag sumundot sa ulo yun, short mo na. Pag sumundot sa puwet ng candle, i-long mo na. Pero with an addition of Arnold Lego Alma indicator. So ayun.
Basta mga Brad, wag niyong sasabing Alma and Emma sa mga misis niyo, ha. Try tayo dun, baka batuhin kayo ng tabo, di ba? Tulad ng unang-una kong live, may nagbatuhan ng tabo dahil puro daw Emma Alma yung sinasabi nung listener natin.
Ano na?
Joke lang yung Emma na Elon Musk advisory. Pero at hindi, bagong indicator yun kasi some of the traders, lalo na yung mga FOMO traders natin.
Ay, ano yan? Yung tinuruan ko sa...
Hey Rad, hindi ka nakamute, ha? Narinig ka namin, ha?
Yeah.
Baka marinig ko yung mga secret mo usapan dyan. Sige. Sige, punta tayo sa iyo, Brian. So I'm showing your trade, no? Napaka gandang setups. Can you walk us through about your trade here? Take it away.
Ayun, no. So good evening again. So bago ako nag-almachi, nag-enroll ako sa intermediate course ni Coach Miranda, no. So hindi ko siya kagad in-apply kasi ang foundation ko ng trading is HTC. So, yun yung foundation ko. Tapos, binacktest ko muna. Binacktest ko lahat yung 4-day namin. Nagbabacktest lang ako nung, pwede ba ito sa setup ko na, but it works perfectly fine. Sabi ko kasi hindi ka makakakita ng divergence. Parang noisy masyado. Kasi more of divergence talaga una akong tinitingnan. So, parang may nagsabi kasi na hindi siya applicable sa mga lower time frames kasi masyadong noisy, masyadong, nagpa-fault signal siya. So, yun, from backtesting, nakita ko na maganda yung, win rate ko. Nag-paper trade ako. Maganda yung win rate nung Almaty plus divergence. So, ayun. So, in this particular trade kahapon, well, 3 of 3 ako. So, isang chart lang yung ipe-present ni Coach. Pero ito yung first trade ko. So, medyo late lunch, ito yung play na ginawa ko. So, I was scalping BTC. So, yun lang, as a trader, lagi akong may BTC. Kasi pag mag-alt ako, laging si BTC muna. Kasi as a trader, I believe na where BTC goes, so goes the market. So, kunyari, konting ubo lang ni BTC, konting galaw lang BTC, kahit nakalong ka kay ADA or nakashort ka, sama siya eh. So, lagi, nakita ko naman sa practice ni Coach na lagi siyang may BTC chart din kasi nakasalalay talaga si altcoin kay BTC konting dump niya, dump din yung ano. So no matter what the technique, the analysis na gawin mo sa alt, pag si BTC hindi mo tiningnan, baka hindi ka, well, yung hindi rin ganun ka, ka profitable. Kailangan talaga lagi kang kay BTC. So, I made sure na lagi si BTC muna i-trade ko. Tapos pag may alt akong magandang fundamental, so, yan, papasukan ko siya. So, in this particular trade, so 3 minutes, so yesterday 1:30, so I was asked by Coach Miranda to present a chart for this particular engagement. So ito nakita nyo, 3 minutes time frame, hinanap ko muna yung divergence. Kasi yun muna hinahanap ko. So in this particular trade, I'm using CCI, MACD, tsaka yung price action. So when you look for a bird divergence, you always look at the price action. If it's going up and then your oscillators is going down, so it's a bird divergence. So yung yung sa left hand, right hand ni Coach, kung maaalala nyo doon sa trade sa class natin, similar naman, similar letter C din to. Left hand letter C, di ba yung arrow going up and going down. So that's a divergence. Ibig sabihin ng divergence, naghiwalay sila. Convergence, nagdikit. So in this particular trade, nag-divergence, bird divergence, kaya nag-short ako. So this is a shorting ng BTC. So 125x. So sa may mga experience na, wag niyo okay naman mag 125x max leverage sa Binance. Pero if you are newbie trader or nag-aaral pa lang kayo, I suggest na babaan niyo lang yung leverage niyo. Kasi may ko dito, may discipline ako sa position sizing. So a particular percent of my total portfolio lang yung tinitrade ko palagi. Kaya confident naman ako sa 125x. Saka scalping, syempre,
Brian, you raise
maximum yung gain.
You raise a very good point, no? You raise a very, very good point. Maganda yung sinabi mo na position sizing, no? Kasi tama-tama, may nagtanong dito, sabi sa chat, Coach, ask ko lang why po naggamit ng malaking leverage? Sure win daw ba yan? Ganyan-ganyan. So, sige, explain mo nga, mag-expound ka dun sa position sizing mo tsaka sa conviction kasi ang ganda ng trade mo eh. There's a reason bakit 125 to.
Pag newbie trader ka kasi, ako na pinagdaan ko kasi pag wow, ang ganda, parang ang nasa mo agad yung iniisip mo kagad magte-trade ako for profit. So that's my first yun yung unang mistake ko kasi unang iniisip ko kagad profit. And then nagiging pag yun ang nagiging greedy ka eh. Pero when I change my mindset na kailangan ang mag-focus ako sa winning trade, doon ako yun yung inintindi ko, hindi ko inintindi yung profit, basta ma-journal ko lang na, and by the way, nag-journal ako at first, kaso pinalimutan ko, and with the enrollment kay Miranda, na binalikan ko yung journaling ko, kaya ang ganda nung learning ko. Anyway, dun sa position sizing, lagi mo lang isipin mo na kung newbie ka, manalo muna sa trade, huwag mo ng profit. Kasi normally sa Facebook page natin, nakikita ko yung magkano ba dapat starting capital. Tapos parang iniisip lagi ng mga profit. Normal naman yun kasi syempre kaya nga tayo nag-trade for profit. Pero isipin muna natin yung paano natin mapapapanalo yung trades natin and magiging consistent.
Yung behaviors,
so ayun, so 1 to 5 position size. Say you have 1,000 USDT na capital. So just use at least 1 to 2% of that portfolio. Yun. Kasi out of kung may 1,000 USDT ka, tapos 1 to 2% lang, at least meron kang 100 times or 1,000 times na pwede kang manalo or matalo sa trade. Hindi kagaya ng 1,000 na USDT tapos in-all-in mo, 50% renade mo. Baka isang scam week lang, mahagit yung stop loss, maubos ka. So, ayun yun. So, parang for me, yun lang one of the best practices that I wanted to share sa mga listeners. So, yung position sizing. So, ako hindi naman modesty aside, may yung portfolio ko talagang from the savings naman tsaka So, always protect your capital. Yun yung sinabi sa akin. Yun yung nagsabi sa akin yun. So sa mga seasoned trader naman yun na lagi sinasabi, always protect your capital. Pero wag ka mag-go all in, wag mong lalakihan. Kailangan kasi 125x pagka konting galaw lang, kung na 125, konting, kunyari, 3,300, nag 3,500 lang, 100%, that's times two already of your position. So, ganun siya kasi nag-i-scalp ka lang. So, nagwa 125 ako. So, pag nag-swing naman ako, binababaan ko yung leverage apart from mataas yung fees ng Binance after every 8 hours ba, coach? Pag
8 hours,
funding fee, di ba? So, ayun. So, pag nag-swing trade ako, yun, medyo mababa yung leverage ko. By the way, mas coach, mas more of swing trading. Kaya ako nag-halmachi kasi gusto ko yung mamaster talaga yung scalping. Pag wala akong ginagawa, titingnan ako sa chart, baka may pwede akong pasukan. Then,
mabilis
it's very good.
Tsaka i-reinforce ko lang yung sinabi mo, no? And guys, napakagandang point nito, no? And this is actually part of the week 3 ng MirandaMiner University, yung ating week 3 na risk averse or risk tolerant, no? So, napakalaking mistake ng isang newbie na mag-all-time buy. Yung all-time buy na lalahatin, no? So, maganda yung sinabi mo, position sizing, no? So, kailangan talaga dyan na you are looking at a very dividing your positions, no? Hindi pwedeng kunyari ang puhunan mo, sabi mo na ang average trader 5,000, isang taya mo 5,000 agad, patay tayo diyan. Hindi po ganoon yung laro, no? So kailangan may tinatawag tayong sabi mo nga 2%, no? 5% ng capital mo, tapos kailangan yung stop loss mo 1 or 2% or 5%, no? So kailangan bilang newbie talagang ikaw ay and guys, this is scalping, ha. Tandaan nyo, scalping to, hindi to yung swing trading na iiwanan mo. So kailangan napaka-tight ng position size mo tsaka ng stop losses mo dito, no? So punta tayo dun, Brian, sa ginawa mo. Ang gustuhan ko sa ginawa mo dito, no? You're actually also using MACD, no? Yung MACD, yung weakening of the histogram, no? So that's one of the convictions. Number 2, meron kang obviously EMA and ALMA, bearish cross, no? Tapos si CCI. Tapos meron pang another conviction which is divergence or transition plane na tinatawag ko sa beginner class yan. So, bakit kailangan tumingin tayo sa histogram, no? Maganda yung ano mo diyan eh. I would like to get to know your thoughts. No? Bakit kailangan tumingin sa histogram? What does that represent?
Ang histogram kasi for me, pag kinakausap ako ng histogram, it represents yung similar to RSI, yung momentum. So, the darker, pag tinitingnan mo yung dark, diba, kunyari yung sa selling, sa buying tayo sa taas, pag darker, medyo mas mataas yung buying pressure, pag nag-weekend na, bumababa na. So, yun yung divergence. Kita mo, umaangat siya yung price niya, pero yung buying niya bumababa na. So, that there's a possible reversal already. Similar, kunyari, may divergence din dito sa baba, sa red. Pag red na red yung selling niya, so matindi yung selling. Pero pag nag-start na siya mag-weekend, nakikita nyo, lumiliit na, nagwa-whiten na siya. So that's a sign for reversal. Like, ganun yung, sa akin, ganun ako kausapin yung MACD. And unlike ako kasi napansin ko, coach, yung most of your trades na MACD signal, yung crossover. So, kumbaga, delayed na si MA sa akin, parang mas super late na sa akin si signal. So, kumbaga, nag-reverse na yung price. Tsaka palang nag-crossover si Pero that's one of the confirmation na gusto ko rin aralin, yung crossover. Pero this works for me, yung histogram, kasi yung weakening ng colors nung histogram niya, yun yung nagkasabi sa akin na magre-reverse na yung
Maganda yan.
yung trend.
And guys, i-share ko lang, no, baka hinahanap nyo yung dalawang linya, si signal line at si MACD line, no. Yung difference ng dalawang yun, yan yung taas ng green candle, ito. Yung taas ng green histogram tsaka yung lalim ng red, ito yung difference ng MACD and signal, no. Ito yung delta or the space in between those two lines, no. So kumbaga, imaginary merong line dyan. Imaginary merong line, parang ganito yung difference, no. Yung delta between those two lines, no. Okay, so meron pa akong follow-up question, mga brad. Sandali lang. I wanna make sure hindi ako ma-miss dito. Alright, tingin nyo ba, kayong dalawa, tingin nyo ba scalping is for everyone? Kung hindi, bakit kaya? Ano sa palagay nyo? Bakit importante na dapat alam mo kung para talaga sa iyo ang scalping? Let's go with you first, Rad. Ano sa palagay mo?
Siguro coach sa akin, para sa akin, hindi para sa lahat. Unang-una na kasi yung ano eh, yung oras.
Okay.
No. Kumbaga, minsan kailangan mo talagang tutukan na aabangan mo yung i-scalp mo. Pwede rin naman sa iba kung magagawan mo ng paraan. Pero para sa akin, hindi eh.
So hindi
Tsaka sa mga
Oo.
ano,
So kailangan
sa mga
meron kang
may
oras. Oo. Okay, go ahead, Brad.
Tsaka sa mga atake sa puso, mga ganon, high blood, baka atakihin sila sa sobrang bilis nung
Na
charting sa 3 minutes or 1 minute.
Hindi, totoo 'yun, 'di ba? Kasi pag nakikita mo, guys, sige mag-comment nga kayo, pag kayo ba naging kulay pula yung port nyo, sumasakit ba yung tiyan nyo? Di ba, umiinit ba yung ulo nyo? Lumalabo ba yung mata nyo? Di ba ganun
Nag-
yun? Ganun yan eh.
Yung una ko
Nag-iiba
nagtitrade,
pakiramdam eh.
nagpo-close ako.
Ano yan, Brian? Ano yun?
Yung unang first time ko nagtitrade, siguro first 2 weeks, pag nakita ko nag-red report, nagpo-close ako.
Di ba?
Only to find out na tataas naman pala.
Okay, reverse. O ikaw, Brian, ano sa tingin mo? Ano tingin mo? Everyone is for scalping or anong perspective mo dyan?
Personally, feeling ko meron siyang may personality na dapat for scalping. Kasi ako, as mentioned kanina, mas gusto ko nagsiswing kasi may ginagawa ko apart from trading. So, pag mag-scalp ka kasi kailangan nakatuto ka. Scalper ka nga. Kumbaga, short ano yan. Ang nakakatakot na scalping, nakikita mo yung profit ang bilis. Magiging greedy ka. So, pag hindi ka greedy, pag naiwasan mo na ma-FOMO, mag-greedy, then go scalping. Pero I think it's not for everyone kasi ang bilis din ng sunog sa scalping. Kung gaano kabilis yung profit yan, ang bilis din ng sunog. Lalo na pag wala kang risk management, wala kang position size, tapos greedy ka, napo-FOMO ka, konting tweet lang ni Elon, natataranta ka. So, I think, coach, for me, personally, it's not for everyone. I think you should discipline yourself kasi scalper, ang hirap, nakatuto ka dyan. Tapos yung indicators, kailangan marunong ka nang bumasa. Pero if you are confident, tas malaki naman yung kaya mong sunugan para matuto ka, and then go ahead. Pero for me, may personality for scalping.
I agree, no? And then, maganda rin yung sinabi mo na mabilis kumita, parang nakaka-addict pag talagang napakaganda ng system, no? Pero, I mean, to your point, yung potential to be greedy, napaka-tempting, no? Talagang
Yes.
you need to discipline yourself, no? So, anyway, it's 11:03, no? So, medyo next time, hahabaan ko tong show natin para marami tayong mag-discuss, no?
Can I just add something? You mentioned it sa mga isang vlogs, no? Kasi itong trade na to, 3 beses to, nakuha ko lahat yung
sige,
pag-short
go
ko
ahead,
na yan.
Brian.
Yung pag-reverse niya, na-long ko and then na-short ko ulit. Yung 4th trade ko, na-mention yung Superman syndrome. So, nag-Superman ako, so pumula sa akin yung port ko. Buti nag-DCA ako, buti bumalik. And then, nag-break even lang ako. Sabi ko, tama nga. Talagang pag-scalping talaga may attitude ka dapat. So, yung Superman syndrome, totoo yun, guys. So, wag yung gagawin yun. Yung pangatlong trade, feeling mo galing-galing mo na, tama ka ulit, no. So, dapat talaga may plan ka talaga. Unplanned yun, yung 4th trade na yun. So, incidentally, buti bumalik, nag-DCA na lang ako, nagdagdag na lang ako para at least mag-break even and close. Ma-cover lang yung fees.
Very good. Napakaganda na sinabi mo. Na-remind tayo sa lahat sa Superman syndrome. Marami dyan, no? Sa mga nakikita ko, nag-observe lang ako sa Facebook. Ang daming tinamaan daw nung pinost natin yun. So, anyways, so Brian or si Brian muna, no? Ano bang last few words natin, no? Last few words sa ating mga audience. Anong pinakamaganda mong tip, no? Kung ikaw ay mentor, no? Ikaw ay mentor ngayon, no? Ano yung pinakamaganda mong tip sa isang newbie na pwede mong iwan tonight?
Ang gusto ko lang unang i-share, yung unang natutunan ko kay Coach Miranda is yung journaling. Napaka-importante nun, guys. Babalikan mo talaga siya, bakit ka natalo, bakit ka nanalo, and paano maging consistent. So yun, always journal your trade, sa Excel pa yan or sa notebook, basta i-journal mo. Kasi pera mo yan dapat minomonitor mo. And yun. And then dapat yung discipline talaga. So, first, napo-FOMO ako. Hindi maiwasan sa newbie, ma-FOMO ka or yung all-time buy na sinabi ni coach, mangyayari talaga yan pag wala kang tamang mentor na magtuturo sa iyo. And we are fortunate na nandito si Coach Miranda Trainer for a very prudent enrollment fee. Sa iba yan, may 80,000, 20,000. And ano ba naman yung 20 USDT na isang scalp mo lang pwede mo makuha. And we should be appreciative of Coach Miranda for setting up this kind of platform for us to learn cryptocurrency trading. So, to my co-traders and co-newbies, ayun lang, journal your trades, tapos huwag kang pasok ng pasok. Sabi nga ni Coach Rad, you should always plan your trade. Pag wala sa plan yan, everything can go wrong. Kasi hindi mo alam kung paano, pag pinalahan ka na ng port mo, pagka wala kang stop loss, kapag wala kang take profit target, so, ayun. Ayun lang. Always plan your trade.
Alright. Ikaw naman, Rad, anong yung masasabi bilang coach or mentor now ng Miranda Mining team?
Hello, Coach. Yung sa akin naman, slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. Kumbaga, dahan-dahan lang. Marami kasi akong mga nakikita, gusto agad kumita ng malaki, ganyan. Hindi muna nila inaalam yung mga learnings, mga lesson, mga experience. So, sa mga newbie, beginners, aral lang tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang aral. Then, if matalo, sana hindi ganun kalaki, no? Kasi marami rin ako mga nag-PPM sa akin, ang lalaki ng mga natatalo sa kanila. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy lang yung aral natin. Andito naman kami para tulungan kayo. PM nyo lang kami. Sa dami ng moderator namin na ngayon, matutulungan namin kayo. Yun lang naman, Coach.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo, andito kami. Yan ang gusto ko. Guys, the reason why I have these two gentlemen here is I want to multiply myself. No?
Pero seryoso, Coach, may mga nag-PM na rin sa akin magpapamentor. Doon sa sarili ko, minsan parang hindi ko pa matanggap na dati hindi naman ako ganito, baguhan lang ako dati. Tapos ngayon, yung mga natututunan ko, sinishare ko na sa mga bago. Kasi 'di ba, ayoko mangyari doon sa mga ibang group na binabash sila, yung mga bago. So, ibahin natin yung pakita natin yung malasakit community natin. Kaya ayun, may mga nag-PPM sa akin kung nagpapamentor sa akin, yun. Andun naman ako para tumulong.
Okay. Hey, Brian and Rad, maraming salamat sa time ninyo. Alam ko, busy.
Coach, pwedeng magpahabol?
Sige, go ahead. Sige.
Very important. So, ang isa pa na gusto kong i-share sa inyo is to invest on yourself. Be it financially, so enroll ka for whatever. Invest on yourself, ibig sabihin mag-invest ka ng time to learn. Ganyan.
Tama.
Ako meron akong PDF file about candlestick trading. Nakakatatlong pasada na ako. Inuulit ko from the start. Para lang talagang I made sure na pag nakita ko yung candle na to, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. So, invest on yourself sa time. Bigyan nyo ng time talaga yung trading if you gusto nyo maging profitable and gusto nyo talagang maging journey. Kasi, eventually, pag naging, ako feeling ko, pag in a few years time, pag nakuha ko na to, this will give me, early retirement para dito na lang ako sa bahay, mag-trade na lang ako and provide for my family. Ayun, so invest. Hindi lang invest magbayad for mentorship or invest ka sa time. Invest ka ng time matuto. Important po yun. And of course,
Tama.
listen to Coach Miranda kasi ang dami yung matututunan, not just about trading, but personal, like psychology, trading psychology. Ang dami niyang life lesson. Kung kilala niyo lang siya,
life coach
kami, ang dami niyang i-share sa inyo. And yung concern siya sa'yo as a person. Ayaw niyang masunog ka. Gusto niya kumita ka talaga. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Sarap ng pakinggan noon. At saka mauulit tong interview na to. Andito huli kayong dalawa. Pagbibigyan nyo, you guys will always give time to our show Okay, sana maulit. Alright. So guys, palakpakan naman natin tong dalawang gentleman natin. Magpasalamat tayo. Let's give them a warm round of applause. And again, Rad and Brian, salamat sa time And
Thank you, Coach. Thank
definitely,
Thank you,
you. It's an
Kuya.
honor.
Thank you, Coach.
we definitely learn from you guys. Okay?
Yeah, I was honored na ma-invite dito, Coach, kung alam mo lang, and natuwa talaga ako.
Same,
It's an honor.
same.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. I'll talk to you again.
Thank
All right. Okay, so guys, really good, no? Before I further move on, I just wanna make sure I say thank you pala muna sa mga nag-super chat, no? Shena, napaka-generous. Thank you sa $50. Wow. Ikaw na nanalo, no? Congratulations. Hindi ko na share yung panalo mo, Pero nakaka-proud yung panalo mo. Napakasarap na panalo. Congratulations at see you sa intermediate class bukas. Tulog ng maaga. No, o kaya wag ka muna matulog kasi 2:00 tayo ng hapon magsisimula, no? Tapos thank you rin kay Official D. Salamat sa super chat mo. Maraming salamat diyan and I appreciate that super chat. So thank you sa tulong ninyo, no? And guys, dalawa sa mga mentors natin, no, na narinig ninyo. And you're probably noticing bakit may mga mentors na sa MirandaMiner team, no? Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, we're growing very big. We're growing big and hindi pwedeng si Coach MirandaMiner lang ang coach, no? Ang goal natin is we further find talents, we further find people with traders with very high potential and become a source of inspiration, no? Become a source of inspiration sa trading, no? Kasi tulad ninyo, we also came from being a newbie at ang maganda is we were able to find our mentor na nagtumulong sa amin. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mentor ko matanda pa sa matanda no. Retired na, 60 plus na yung naging mentor ko before, no? Kapanahonan pa lang ng 1992 stock market, nagtitrade na yun. Kaya talagang batikan tsaka sobrang sarap matuto sa isang tao na inugat na sa trading, no. So again, thank you, Brian. I appreciated this chart. No, thank you for sharing this. True enough, guys. Halmachi is very effective. Tinuro rin ni Coach to. I was actually able to teach this, no, the scalping program, and I really appreciate na people are actually using this, no, able to use our Halmachi process with the further conviction ni MACD, no, and this divergence is the transition play na tinuturo ni Coach, no. And then itong trade naman ni Rad, I really like this as well kasi this is a Halmachi process and there's also a bounce play on a support line coming from a former resistance, no. So I think that and by the way guys, no, ang dami nilang tinrade. They actually traded more. I only have shown one, no? Pero ang grabe ang wins ng dalawang to. Maganda ang winning rate nila, no? At what I also like about their discussion aside from defining ALMA, EMA, CCI, indicators, resistance, Fibonacci's, etc., is they also acknowledge the behaviors, no? You need to make sure you journal. You need to make sure you plan your trades. Hindi ka pwede maging Superman syndrome. 'Di ba? And before we end our day today, I also would like to share, no, this is again, Halmachi is a very good system and meron akong post kanina to 22 out of 22 trades. Nanalo si Morrison, no? Congratulations sa iyo. Napakagaling and I saw the journal, talagang nakakapangalisag ng balahibo. Napakagaling na trade, no? 22 out of 22. Perfect trades, no? Ang average profit niya $3, $4, $3, $5, $6. So imaginein mo guys, na double your money siya because of that. Sabi nga niya sa akin, Coach, parang cheat code yung Halmachi mo. Parang cheat code, sabi niya. So, gusto ko lang ding ituro sa inyo to, no? Itong trade natin kanina. And for the interest of the viewing public, hindi ko to i-discuss in very detail kasi dinidiscuss ko lang to sa loob ng classroom, no? Pero sa mga estudyante ko, familiar na kayo dito, no, sa intermediate class. I-share ko lang sa inyo, no? Just for today, I think we earned almost $200. Almost $200 inabot tayo dyan, no? Around $150 just for uh, 3 trades, no? 3 trades lang yan. And itong trades kasing ito, this is actually a bounce play here, no? A bounce play and a breakout play. Nag-breakout play ako dito, no? So, 30% PNL, futures trading, no? I really think that malaki ang tulong sa atin ng paghahanap ng mga ganyang klaseng trends, no, and information. And if you are interested to learn how to get this profit, feel free, feel free to enroll to our class. Tuturo natin yan. Yung mga si Alan from UAE, nagawa niya to. Congrats, Brad. Nakita ko yung post mo. 21% profit. Parehas tayo ng trade. Nasakyan mo pala to. Congratulations, ha. So, ayan, no. So, actually, it is a one-day July 3 trade, no. Isang araw lang yan. For one day, and July 3, and we actually earned. And nakakataba ng puso kasi may mga nakakita na ng ganitong formation at kumita sila. So one of them is Alan. Siguro meron pa diyan, no? Hindi ko lang nakita sa post, no? Pero congratulations kung nakita mo 'tong trade na 'to. May mga parts kasi or anatomy ang breakout play, no? So ituturo ko 'yan in detail at ito ay isang sistema bukod sa Halmachi, no? So naituro na sa inyo ni coach yung mga system ng Halmachi if you are a scalper. Naituro ko na yung transition play and a bounce play if you're a day trader. Ngayon, I will teach you yung potential swing play, no? Potential swing trade to or breakout trade. No, napakalaki ng kitaan sa isang breakout trade, tatandaan mo 'yan, no? Maabot ng 20%, 30%. Kayang-kaya mo 'yan, no? Pero tuturuan kita paano mo makita ito. No, yung kaninang kausap ko sa aking one-on-one, may ka-mentor ako kaninang around 8:30. Alam niya na 'to. And I'm so proud of you. I look forward for the result, ha. Alam mo na, kilala mo na kung sino ka, no? I look forward for you to be more profitable based on our mentoring kanina. So, yan. So, I just want to show this to you. Ihimayin ko to sa mga estudyante natin. Paano to kunin? Paano kumita ng mas malaki, no? Mas malaki, mas maganda, at mas malaking breakout, no? Kung ikaw naman ay hindi scalper, ikaw ay trend follower, tuturuan kita dyan. Kayang-kaya mong kumita sa ganitong klaseng merkado, no? Kayang-kaya mong kumita. Ngayon, kung gusto mong kumita on shorting, naglabas na rin ako ng video on shorting. Gusto mong kumita ng scalping, may video na ako dyan. Gusto mong kumita on day trade, may video na rin si coach dyan. Gusto mong kumita ng malaki talaga, meron akong video on right behaviors. Pakiramdam ko nga, napakarami ko ng video talaga eh. Di ba? Lahat na ng kailangan mo nasa channel na natin. So, dito ka lang, dikit ka lang sa ating MirandaMiner family, global family, no? And definitely you will learn a lot, no? So, I just wanted to wrap this program by just reading some more comments. Okay, thank you sa mga moderators natin pala. Thank you sa aking mga moderators na nasa chat room today. Thank you to Milka, to Goma, to Danielle, to Aaron. Oy, thank you again, Official D. Salamat sa super chat mo. Thank you, thank you. To Goma. Goma, salamat sa buko pie. Napakasarap daw. Thank you, thank you. Mama, titikman ko yan. Thank you, thank you. Gabriel, thank you. Bukas usapan natin na Eksena, thank you, thank you. Bukas may mga meeting ng mga moderators. I'm looking forward sa meetings natin, no? And yan, Albert, i-claim mo yan. I-claim mo yan. That's gonna be for you. Next time, you're gonna be the one to talk here, no? Very good. Kimoy, hey. Tulog ka na, Brad. Thank you for that comment. Okay, Asher. Hoy, Asher, kamusta na? Nasa 150 plus na ata ang video ni Coach. Oo nga, napakarami ko ng video, guys. Napakarami ko na video, no? So, sana matuto sila. Pag may mga bago, ang gawin nyo guys, kunyari may mga bago tayo sa Facebook, pag, for example, meron silang tanong, ano yung day trading? Bigay nyo yung day trading videos ni Coach. Kunyari, scalping. Meron tayong live scalping, no? Meron tayong 11 videos on live scalping. Kung meron tanong about the actual blockchain, yung mga science and art of blockchain, dun sa Miranda University yung free playlist natin, no? Kompleto na yan, nandiyan na lahat. And if you wanted to enroll, ask the moderators, they will assure you on how to enroll, no? And again, i-remind ko lang, kung ikaw ay aking estudyante at kaka-join mo lang sa ating show today, I'm actually inviting you sa ating trading talks. No, we're gonna be having our trading talk conversations. Free yan. By right now, you should have received that email to register. Please RSVP para makuha ko yung email mo at ikaw ay maisama ko sa raffle. And yes, may free raffle na pwede kang manalo ng $20 Tether. Tatlo mananalo niyan, no? And wala kayong babayaran. It's gonna be totally free. And this is only for my alumni students sa MirandaMiner. Alright? So guys, sobrang nag-overtime tayo. Pero again, Brian, sobrang thank you sa'yo tsaka kay Rad. No? Maraming salamat. And sa aking mga future guests, kay Luke, kay Galamax, tsaka kay Ramen. Next na kayo. So, handa-handa na kayo. At Coach Miranda Miner will reach out again one of these Saturdays. We'll have another Usapang Technical, no? And for now, I would also like to greet in advance ang ating mga kaibigan dyan sa United States. Happy 4th of July, no? Advance happy 4th of July. And kung mahaba ang holiday, enjoy, no? Kung Monday is a holiday, enjoy. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, please like our channel and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys again soon in the next edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Crypto Night Live.